everyone, my name is Trina and today we're going to be talking about Pet Dental Health Awareness Month. And you may be wondering, well, what's that? Pet Dental Health Awareness Month is exactly as it says it is. We're bringing awareness about pet dental hygiene. And then you're probably asking, well, what does it got to do with you, Trina? Well, here's what it has to do. I'm going to tell you a story first though, and then you'll see how it all ties in. But Pet Dental Health Awareness Month is just bringing awareness to the importance of your pet's dental hygiene. Just like with us human beings who have to go to the dentist to get our teeth cleaned, teeth checked, the same goes for our pets. Your pet's mouth is like your hands. It does everything for them. If their hands or mouth doesn't work, it can cause them a lot of suffering. And you know, some of y'all, including myself, these are our babies. We don't want them suffering. So I'm going to tell you a story about how the dental hygiene or the dental care of one pet actually caused us to not be able to groom them the right way. So we had a little Shih Tzu that comes in all the time. She's a baby, a sweetheart on the table. No issues whatsoever. We can bathe, wash, blow dry, 1 hour, boom, ready to go. But one time she came in and she was kind of like in a really grumpy mood, and it was unlike her. It's not in her character to be so grumpy. And so we sent her home. We were able to get the groom done, but you can tell that something was wrong. About a month later, her mother called and said, you know, something's wrong with her. She's not eating ever since she came home. So I was like, well, that's strange. I said, well, try on some soft food or some chicken and see if she wants to eat that. She did eat some of it, but not a lot. So I told her if she continues to not eat, definitely want to take it to the vet to get it checked out, because a dog not eating is showing signs that something is going on. So she took it to the vet. They gave her some antibiotics, some painkillers, and she was eating fine once on the pain meds. Once the pain meds were done, she went back to her normal behavior where she kind of wasn't eating, nitpicking at the food. So about 6 weeks later from her first grooming appointment, she came back in to get another groom, and she carried on badly. She was really miserable. I wouldn't say in pain at that moment, but she was really miserable. She was fighting, biting. She didn't want her face being held. And for those that don't know, when we groom dogs, we have to hold the muzzle, like to bend the head, shape it up, or we have to hold the chin here so that we can scissor the face to keep the head steady. So if I can't hold her face, I won't be able to get the groom done the way I would like for it to be done. So we sent her home and let her mom know. It's like, you know, she's really having a bad day. Like, she really was fighting for her face. She's like, oh, really? Say, she never carries on with that. I said, I know, this is something new. I don't know. I said, but let me know if she continues to act any differently. So about another month and a half later, she comes back to get groomed, and she's carrying on worse than before. And so now I said, you know what, let me check her teeth to see if she may be having something in her mouth that's causing her to act this way. And lo and behold, her gum line was inflamed. It was super pink, super red, and it was painful. You can see the amount of plaque and tartar buildup on her teeth. So I called her mom and said, I think she may have a gum infection or something's affecting her teeth, and maybe she doesn't want to eat the food because it hurts to eat. And she's like, you know, that could be right. So she scheduled a vet appointment right away, took her to the vet, and they did discover that she needed her teeth to be cleaned. She had a really bad case of plaque buildup, periodontal diseases, and so they scheduled a teeth cleaning for her, and they were able to get her teeth cleaned, removed a couple teeth, and she was back on the way to recovery, eating solid food, good to go. And we would not have probably noticed that unless I had looked into her mouth. And this is why it's important to get your dogs groomed regularly, because you already don't go to the vet often, right? So when you go to your groomer, we see your dogs more frequently than they go to the vet. So we're able to pinpoint what could go wrong, because we're not vets, so we cannot diagnose. If you think this is what's happening, you really should go to the vet. Another case is a Yorkie that came in. It was a new client. The dog was a little feisty little thing. And the mom said, oh, he's really feisty for his face. And I'm like, okay, we always get feisty dogs, so it shouldn't be a problem. Getting the groom done, getting to his face. His face is considerably matted, but not too much to where it can't be saved. So I'm trying to clear it out, and this dog is just flinging spit. It's going all over the place, and then whoop, the scent of his breath just almost knocked me unconscious. So I said, you know what? Let me check this dog's teeth. This is probably why he's fighting for his face. His teeth were worse than the Shih Tzus. And I said there were layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of plaque build up on his teeth. It was ridiculous. There's no way that you would want that dog kissing you or even breathing next to you. How bad his teeth was. It was that bad. And I told the receptionist, let his mom know that he has really, really bad teeth. His gums seem to be inflamed, and they really need to get him into a vet to get this done ASAP, because this is why he's hurting, or this is why he's feisty to his face, because his mouth hurts. And it's almost to the point that the plaque buildup was so bad that it was actually causing his mouth to protrude outside the mouth. So you can see the indentation of his teeth on the outside of his lips. So we told the mom, not sure if she got it done, but this is why sometimes dogs don't like their face being done, because it's hurting them. It's hurting them to the point that they just don't want it to be messed with. But this is why it's important to get your dog's teeth checked out. So you're asking, well, where do I go to get my dog's teeth checked? So we have 3 vets on the island. Freeport Vet, which is located in Seahorse Plaza, Caribbean Vet, which is on Queens Highway, and the Humane Society, which is on Coral Road. So Freeport Vet has a special that they do every year in the month of February. They do dental specials that help, because dentals can be expensive because your dog has to get sedated in order to get their teeth cleaned. So they offer the dentals at a lower rate for the month of February to help promote better dental hygiene for your pets. Caribbean Vet also provides dental services, and the Humane Society also provides dental services. So you can reach out to any one of them to get your dog's dental done. So for this month, we are definitely going to be going over tips and tricks on how to brush your dog's teeth, because trying to get it done at your groomer every 6 to 7 weeks that you come in is not going to help. You, the pet owner, yes, you are going to have to do it yourself. We can help when the dog comes in, but the dog is with you every day. We're going to teach you how to apply the toothpaste, use the finger brush, use a toothbrush. What can you use to brush your dog teeth? What kind of foods should you feed? What kind of treats can you give? Can I feed bones or anything like that? We're going to give you some tips, tricks, and helpful information during the month of February to help promote better dental hygiene for you and your pet. Because let's be honest, we like loving up and hugging up on our dogs, and we don't want the sewage breath kicking us in the face, because sometimes that has happened. So with that being said, please check out your nearest vet. Remember, Freeport Vet is having a special going on for the month of February on dentals, and also Caribbean Vet and Humane Society also offer dental services. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to check your pet's teeth, get them in the vet often, and have a good day. Thank you so much.